Oh, good morning, everyone. Since the sun is shining outside, it put me in a lovely mood, and I thought it might be nice to do a plant of the day video. So today's plant that I am highlighting is my Bolero Biocolor lipstick plant. She's a youngin', and she was on my 2024 plant wish list, and my husband got her for me, and oh, she's so gorgeous. So lipstick plants in general like bright and direct light. They don't like the light to actually hit their leaves, the rays themselves. That will cause burning. I am going to tell you that you can even cause stressing of the plant to the point where you almost harm the plant. I had the grow light too close to her, and I don't know if you can see some of the purple on these leaves, but there was a lot of purpling of these leaves. I'm like, oh my God, what's wrong with my plant? Yeah, there's another one right there, and it sent me into full-blown panic mode. And it turns out that I was giving her too much of an intensity of grow light action. So as soon as I moved that light further away from her, thankfully it started to revert. But even she was growing her foliage away from the grow light. I mean, it was as clear as day. I just wasn't listening to what she was trying to say to me. This plant, when it's getting just the perfect amount of light, will give you the most beautiful red flowers, almost the same red as that little heart in the middle that was put in there because it was a Valentine's Day gift. It's called a lipstick plant because the flowers themselves almost look like little lipsticks coming out of a case. They're just absolutely lovely plants. They like to be watered consistently. They don't like to completely dry out. I don't let this one drop anywhere below the 4 on my moisture meter before I give it a thorough drink. In fact, I don't tend to let it even get to the 4, which is still in the moist. Just before it hits that 4, I will give her a good drink. She probably likes to drink maybe once every 7 to 10 days. Recently, it doesn't mean it's not gonna go up as the, things in her environment change, whatnot. But yeah, if you want to put them in a window, you would put them in an east window or north facing window. If you're in the northern hemisphere, you would flip that around. If you are in the western hemisphere. But yeah, I mean, I don't have those windows, so I have to give her a grow light, and she does just fine now that I don't have it so close that she's stressed. Now she's starting to give me a lot more new growth now that we've found the happy medium that she likes. They like to be frequently fertilized. They like higher humidity. She has loved my humidity, which is anywhere between 55 and 65%. And sometimes in the summer can get as high as 70, so we'll see how she does with that. They are spider mite magnets, and mealybugs surely love them, so I'm constantly watching out for them. And I do have some mealybug beneficial bugs in here that came in the strip that are constantly on patrol, keeping the mealybugs at bay. And I also have some beneficial bugs in there for spider mites as well. They are non-toxic to animals, so I don't have to worry about, my Uko maybe taking a little nibble here or there. He's never done it, but you never know when the old man might get an inkling, Yeah, other than that, they don't like to be soggy. They do like to have their fertilizer, so I do give her more fertilizer than some of my others, but it's just an absolutely pleasant plant. I think her foliage is gorgeous, even if she doesn't have flowers that she will at some point give me, but just a lovely plant to have in your collection. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Pass it on to anybody who might need information about this plant. And until next time, keep giving your plants lots of planty love.